Hello, folks. This is going to be an exciting one, a reveal of our reveals. I went to Kroger, grocery store, in the machine early in the morning, early bird gets a worm. So I got three sizzling hots. These tickets really do suck, don't they? And I got three winner circles, and then I got five money tickets. The money tickets are tickets number 17 through 13, sizzling hots, 69 through 67, and the winner circles, I got 22 through 20. Okay, this one, $5. That's all I want on this one. Sizzling hot. And on the winner circle, I lost on ticket number 22. Lost on these two. Lost on this one. Okay, the money one, I lost on the 17. Nothing on 17. Nothing on 17. $16 I won on, and number 13 I won on. So 14, nothing. 15, nothing. So on to winner circle. I actually won back to back on winner circle. Tickets number 21 in the corner here, and number 20 also in the corner here. So we'll do this one first. $50. That's real good. Number 9 here. Whoa, big zeros. What? $100. Long time not getting big zeros. All right. Ticket number 20. Now check this out. Wait. Hold on. To continue. So then, on to the money ones. There are multiple matches. Multipliers. There's multiplier matches that you can get. Also, number of matches and symbol matches. I looked on the back for the symbols, and honestly, I don't want to know how much they pay the symbols until I scratch them off. So, on ticket number 16, I got a stack of cash. Let's see how much it is. $50. Okay. That's good. That was ticket number 16. And now, for the reveal of all reveals. What happened was, I got up to ticket number 14, and I knew ticket number 13 was left, which ticket number 13 is always a good number on tickets. I'm like, I'm not leaving that ticket. I'm getting that ticket. And sure enough, check this out. A 5X. And also a stack of cash and coins. All right. What should we do first? A multiplier? We'll do the multiplier first. That's 100. And I guess we already know what the stack of cash is. 50. Then the coins, we don't know what that is. If they're coins, gold coins, and how much it is. Big zeros. Big zeros. Yo. Make my day. Make my year. $100. Okay. $200. So I'm up $95 on a day. Something like that. Wish it could have been more, but hey, that was exciting. All right, thank you. Hold on. After tallying it up, I spent $205 on tickets, and I got back $455. So $250 in profit today. And that one ticket with the multiple symbols was actually $250. Okay.